These may be some of the hottest biotech opportunities of the year. Here are some of the top biotech stocks to watch. Axsome Therapeutics. The stock is already exploding since the last time we mentioned it. CRISPR Therapeutics. Cantor Fitzgerald analysts just initiated coverage with a $72 target. Sana Biotechnology. Severely overbought, but well worth keeping an eye on. Let's dive in. Here's the 3 top biotech stocks to watch in 2023. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Investors may want to keep an eye on the biotech boom and these top biotech stocks to watch. For one, the sector is still one of the safest, most recession-proof investments around. 2, an aging population is demanding better treatment in an effort to live longer lives. 3, there's the incredible new innovation in gene therapies, immuno-oncology, precision medicine, machine learning drug discovery, and treatments for unmet medical needs. According to Biospace, the global biotech market could be worth $3.44 trillion by 2030 from $852.88 billion today. That being said, here are some of the top biotech stocks to watch today. Number 1. Axsome Therapeutics. The last time I mentioned Axsome Therapeutics, it traded at $62.50 on March 29th. Today, it's up to $70.46 and still running. Remember, Axsome Therapeutics has 2 approved drugs on the market and 2 others that it plans to submit for FDA approval this year. The first is the sleep disorder drug Sunosi, which it acquired from Jazz Pharmaceuticals for $53 million. The drug is a dopamine norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor and the only one of its kind to treat narcolepsy. Axsome's other approved drug, Auvelity, is even more exciting from an investment perspective. It's a fast-acting oral treatment for depression. Also the first of its kind, launched in October. The drug reportedly takes effect within a week, while other antidepressants can take weeks or months. Number 2. CRISPR Therapeutics. On March 29th, I also mentioned CRISPR Therapeutics as it traded at $44.40. It's now up to $54.29 and screaming higher. For one, CRISPR Therapeutics has been moving higher ever since the Institute for Clinical and Economic Review said its sickle cell treatment would be cost-effective if it's priced below $1.9 million. 2, the company is running on news it signed a licensing deal with Vertex Pharmaceuticals to accelerate the development of a type I diabetes treatment using Vertex's hypoimmune cell therapies. 3, Cantor Fitzgerald just initiated coverage of CRISPR Therapeutics with an overweight rating and a $72 price target. The analyst says CRISPR Therapeutics stands out as an interesting gene editing play for 2023. Plus, the company has a very good chance of commercializing the first-ever CRISPR Therapeutics gene therapy later this year. Number 3. Sana Biotechnology. While technically overbought, keep an eye on Sana Biotechnology on pullbacks. After running from about $3.25 to $5.64, it's overdue for a near-term pullback. But keep it on the radar for the long term. Just last week, the company said SC451, a pancreatic cell therapy to treat type 1 diabetes, avoided allogenic and autoimmune rejections in mice. According to Sana President and CEO Steve Hare, Science Translational Medicine published a paper demonstrating that hypoimmune pseudoislets developed with our hypoimmune technology survived and were able to reverse diabetes without any immunosuppression in humanized mice, eliminating the need for insulin administration and reversing diabetes with normalization of blood glucose levels, and doing this without immunosuppression would be a transformational advance for patients. Then it's SC262, a hypoimmune-modified allogenic CD19-directed CAR-T cell therapy was found to avoid immune detection and kill off tumor cells. Nature Communications published a paper that evaluated the performance of Sana's hypoimmune allogeneic chimeric antigen receptor T cells versus unmodified allogeneic CAR-T cells. The key findings demonstrate that HAIP CAR-T cells significantly outperformed unmodified allogeneic CAR-T cells in tumor studies using fully immunocompetent, humanized mice in both durability of tumor clearance as well as CAR-T cell expansion and persistence. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.